How to use Instagram filters offline. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can use Instagram filters offline, which means that you want to use Instagram filters on your specific photo but not post them to Instagram. You want to only save them to your gallery, right? So it is very easy to do that. Now many people might think that you use a filter and then you simply take a screenshot, but I'm not going to give you that type of suggestion because that is going to lessen the quality of your photo. It is going to make you lose lots of megapixels in the process, and as a result your photos may not look as the original version. So instead I'll show you what you can do. Open up Instagram, right? And then just tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Once you tap on the plus icon, so you can see I only have one photo of this kind, or let's say I want to post this one right over here, but just to show you guys I'll choose another random photo in the process. So let me just select this one for example, right? And then once I select this photo, I'll just hit the next option, and once I hit the next option I'll choose the filter. I'll make some edits if I want. I'll use the contrast, background, whatever else. Then just to show you guys I'll just convert this into black and white just so you know that this is actually authentic and I'm showing you a real picture, right? And then after I use this, I'll just tap on the next button. Now I have used my Instagram filters, but I don't want to post this, but I want to save this to my gallery, right? So what I will do is now I'm going to simply turn off my Wi-Fi or any internet connection. Just cut off access to your internet connection, and then now you have to turn on airplane mode. Once you've done that, just try to post this, but don't worry, we're not really posting this. All it does is that it is going to try to post to Instagram, but it will not be able to post it on Instagram. So just go ahead and refresh it as well, and as you'll be able to see that it says will automatically post when possible. But the magic over here is that when Instagram cannot post your photo to Instagram itself, it is going to automatically save it to your gallery. I tried it before and it works 100%. So as I said earlier I didn't have the black and white photo, so I'll just open Instagram gallery and then just refresh it a couple of times, and now you can see over here we have that specific photo. As you can see, the exact one that we just edited out on Instagram. Now what we will do is we'll just come back to Instagram. We will not post it, right? We'll tap on the three dots and then we will not post it. Instead we will select the option called discard post and we'll just discard it. But now you can see the photo has been saved to our gallery, and this is how you can use Instagram filters offline. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.